Welcome to TMDS tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through importing products from Temu into WooCommerce using TMDS. Just a few simple steps, you'll be ready to start your dropshipping business. Let's get started. First, ensure the TMDS plugin is installed and activated in your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New, find TMDS, and activate it. Keep in mind that WooCommerce plugin is required for TMDS to function properly. To install the browser extension, you can either go to the Settings or Import List page and click the green Install Extension button, or do the same in Setting page. Once the extension is installed, you'll need to connect your domain. You can do this in two ways. From the plugin settings, click the Connect Extension button in the Settings or Import List page and approve the connection. Another way is in the extension settings. Head to Temu, copy your site's URL, and paste it into the domain field in the extension. Click Need Authenticating, approve the request, and you're all set. Now that everything is set up, you can start importing products. On a single product page, click the Import button to pull in product details directly. If you want to import multiple products at once, simply head to the category page and use the plus icon on a category page to import several products in bulk without opening each product page, saving you time and effort. These settings under Product tab let you customize your store and automate the importing process, making store management easier and more efficient. TMDS gives you full control over how imported products appear in WooCommerce. You can configure product status, choose whether imported products are published, drafts, or pending review. Product descriptions and images, decide whether to import full descriptions, item specifics, and whether to use external image links. Note, Xmage must be activated for external links to work. Attributes and variations. Manage global attributes, choose to import as simple products, and set visibility of variations on the product page. Product organization. Assign default categories, tags, and shipping classes to keep products organized. TMDS also helps you adjust product pricing to match your WooCommerce store's currency and strategy. Set up exchange rates first. Select your Temu currency and set the exchange rate to convert prices into your store's currency. And the pricing rules come next. Define pricing strategies based on different price ranges. Available actions include increasing by a fixed amount or percentage, multiplying the price, setting it to a specific value. These rules apply to both regular and sale prices, automating pricing adjustments, and ensuring consistent profit margins. If you need to edit prices individually, that's no problem. We'll cover that in the next section. Once imported, products will appear in the import list where you'll see a message like, price of the product applicable to the Australia English. This reflects the Temu account settings at the time of import. Under Product tab, edit title, SKU, product status, categories, price for simple product, and more. Modify the product description in Description tab. Modify attributes, add variation images, choose which variations to import, and adjust prices inventory. Lastly, inside Gallery tab, select which product images to include in WooCommerce. Don't forget about bulk actions. You can either import all products or clear the entire import list. Alternatively, select specific items and apply bulk actions using the options in the drop-down menu. On the imported page, you'll find key product details like title, SKU, price, and Temu-specific settings, country, language, currency. From here, you can view the product in WooCommerce, front-end or back-end, open the product on Temu, and delete the product from your WooCommerce store. To find specific products, use the search bar. Just remember, the search works with the original Temu product title, not the modified WooCommerce title. To wrap up, let's check how your imported products appear on your WooCommerce store. Head to the front end and view the product you just imported. You'll see all the details. They are now ready for your customers to browse and purchase.